Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us yet again for your social media tips and tricks. I'm Alex Ward, broker owner of the Maxwell Devonshire Realty, and I get the absolute pleasure of being joined by Monica Adams of Monica Social the last Tuesday of every month. And today is Tuesday, November 25th, 2025. And it's incredibly fitting because Monica is going to be talking to all you realtors out there about what platforms you should be on for 2026 and why. So, Monica, you've heard enough from me. It's your turn to speak the truth and let them know. So, everyone, there's Monica.
Hi, everybody. I hope you guys are all having a great day. I'm super excited to talk to you guys today about the top social media platforms for realtors in 2026. So, this is a great time of year. We're almost at basically by, another week, we're going to be into December, and it's a great time to start to think about how you want to show up in the new year on social media. So, without further ado, we're going to start from the top. And number one for realtors on social media platforms, you guessed it, it's what you're watching me on right now. It's Instagram. So it's highly visible. So things like how I'm showing up today is a great way to show you how to utilize it in the new year, is going live at your listings, or even if you just want to interview people like we are kind of doing right now. It's great for showing listings, neighborhood lifestyle. So showing your local coffee shops, your local stores. And then behind the scenes, so showing how you run your real estate business is a great way to utilize Instagram. And then utilizing short form video, basically reels, is essential to show up on Instagram now. So into the new year, it's just going to be more and more and more about short form video. I'm sure you've heard it enough, but you're going to be hearing it from me today. And then using stories for more personal engagement. So one of the biggest things is showing up on your Instagram stories with Q&As, polls, market updates, or even just things like this going live. Anything personal behind the scenes of your life with running your business, even if it's showing, how you take your kid to your open houses, or how you're doing this and that, or if you're going to any Christmas events, any Christmas parties, it's a good thing to show that on your social media stories. And then number two platform to show up on for realtors for 2026 is, believe it or not, TikTok. So short form video is dominating TikTok. The biggest thing is that I've noticed in the last 2 years, and more people in real estate are showing up on TikTok. If you didn't know, Maxwell Devonshire Realty is on TikTok. So make sure you go and find us and follow us on TikTok. As we are doing very well on that platform, it's a great place to show up in the real estate industry. So if you're not currently on TikTok, maybe that's a platform that you want to start showing up on in the new year. It's excellent for reaching younger buyers. So your first time home buyers are on there, and the Gen Z and millennials. So I'm a millennial. And I notice more and more millennials like myself are showing up on TikTok just because it's more entertaining and short form video. And then according to benchmarks, real estate brands are getting decent engagement on TikTok. So I've noticed, I manage Maxwell Devonshire Realty's TikTok account, and I've noticed that over month to month, we are growing and we're getting really good views on our videos. So note that down for your efforts for the new year. Number three platform for you to show up for real estate on 2026 is YouTube. So we do have a YouTube account again for Maxwell Devonshire Realty. So make sure you go and follow us, and you can see even the video that we're doing today. It's perfect for long form content. So this is great for your full property walkthroughs, market examiner videos, or how to buy. This is a great guide for those long videos. Videos here can continue generating over, sorry, I'm going to say this again. Videos here can continue generating leads over a long period. So it's evergreen content. So YouTube is always working for you. So that's a great place to show up. If you're not currently on YouTube, maybe you just make an account and you start putting your full listing videos on there to show up. And then again, videos here. According to strategy guidelines, YouTube ads are an underused by agents by powerful local branding. So what does that mean? It means another way to utilize YouTube is actually to do some paid ads. So that might be something that you want to look into moving into the new year. Number four is Facebook. So still very relevant. It still has a broad reach, especially for more established or older audience buyers. Facebook groups are powerful for local community engagements. One of the biggest things here that I find, I live in Windermere, is that our Windermere Facebook group is huge. It's huge for engagement, people asking for a realtor, people asking for somebody that, does this and that in your local area. It's a great way to show up locally is on your Facebook groups. And then ads. So Facebook is still a great place for ads. Targeting on Facebook remains very robust. Geographic targeting, demographic targeting, and retargeting is really great for you to utilize moving into the new year. Number five, which is our last one, believe it or not, is LinkedIn. Great for building professional authority, especially with investors, commercial real estate, or higher end net worth clients. This is where your CEOs and all of your big top people in businesses are showing up. So use LinkedIn to share market insights, long form posts, local development trends, and networking with other professionals. So if you're going to a Christmas party, I know the Maxwell Realty party is coming up. Maybe after that, you go onto LinkedIn and you show people that you were at that event. This is a great way to utilize LinkedIn to grow your local real estate broadly. So again, I want to go over the list quickly. Top social media platforms for realtors in 2026. Number one, Instagram. Number two, TikTok. Number three, YouTube. Number four, Facebook. Number five, LinkedIn. So I hope this helps you guys all out with thinking about how to show up in the new year. And maybe right now you're on Facebook and Instagram, and maybe you just want to throw in a third one. So think about what third one or fourth one you can add into your belt with not overdoing it. So I hope this helps you guys all out growing into the new year. And I can't wait to see you again on our next social media tips and tricks here on Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah, thank you so much, Monica, for that great information. I do know I have a question for you, and it's about the main concern when everyone has when they hear all the different platforms that are beneficial for them to being on is how do I manage it all? So if you were to give everyone one tip minus hiring you, what would be the best next tip to being able to manage there's all of those social media platforms?
That is a good question. So, number one, I obviously would say have somebody like myself manage your social media. But number two would be actually to batch your content. So, if you're going to be thinking about showing more short form video, you probably got that every platform's about more video content. It's to batch your content. So, if you're shooting a video today, make sure you shoot 3 videos, and that will be all of your content for December. It's utilizing your time efficiently so that you're not thinking all the time about, hey, I need to shoot a video. Hey, I need to shoot a video. Block off one day and make it worth to shoot all your videos or one day to get all your graphics done for the month. So that is my biggest tip for everybody listening is that utilizing the days to make your content to go for the whole month. So making you batch your content is a big thing to managing, being more efficient and having more time to help your buyers and your sellers in the marketplace.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Monica. That was Monica Social or Monica Adams of Monica Social. And I'm Alex Ward, broker owner of Maxwell Devonshire Realty. And we can't wait to see you starting in 2026 at our next social media tips and tricks. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, everyone, so you don't miss us. Bye.
Bye bye.